Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Got part 3 here of Clope 18x8 Coachman with the split shaft or cut shaft, and give new bearings, cables, rollers, springs. Bumped them up to 295 wired 2 5/8, and see how she rolls here. 5 3-inch struts, 2 fingers. Nice, goes up nice. For a door this big to go up with 2 fingers, that's pretty nice. Accompanied by a 3/4 horse LiftMaster opener. Goes up like a dream. Oh yeah, we replaced that track too. The old track was mangled when the door got jacked. I'll show you all the parts in the truck, but goes up good. Goes down smooth. And put this over here. Bring it in the truck. Now the door is Clope, but we got it from another dealer. As you can see, those are not Clope springs. We put this in 15 years ago. Clope would have given you galvanized springs and 2 different springs. This company did. They're both the same wire size. This is definitely not Clope. They give you a split bearing. We changed this out because this is where the shaft got cut. So, and then since we were just taking everything apart, we gave them new end bearings. You can see a little bit of brake dust, bearing dust on there. So that's all new. 2 5/8 springs. We had to cut them down. There's the 2 coils we cut down. There's obviously the pipe. Let me bring it over to the front. I'll actually show you where the pipe got cut. Right there. Look at that. That is like crazy, you know? I would have, I think it got cut inside the bearing too, because there's a big space. Here's the other side of it. Let me turn this. Look at that. That's just gone, man. And I think it was a smart thing to do for the homeowner to change the springs out now, because being 15 years old, I mean, the odds that you're going to be replacing the springs is sooner than later, especially now. It's winter time. You can see there's snow on the ground. It's cold. It's in January, so I mean, that's it. There it is during the day. You can see the custom windows there. They took out the center ones for whatever reason. But that's it. Coachman door, 18x8. Cut in half tube shaft. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, thank you for checking us out. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for watching part 3. This is a 3-parter. Not too many of those out there, but this is a 3-part video from us, Innovative Door. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.